Hey y'all, it's Christine. Alright, so this is like take two. So yeah, alright, so this is the what I got in mail was samples from sample source. Um so yeah, let's get into it. I got this from samplesource.com, which I'll link that down in the description. Alright, so the first thing I'm getting out is the Bona hard that surface floor cleaner, which I will need to get the appropriate matching mop with to use this with, because I don't have that yet. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. The next item is what I do with this is the directions are vacuum sweep or dust mop. Step 2 is to clean mist, and then proceed to step 3, or to disinfect, spray until thoroughly wet, wait 10 minutes, and proceed to step 3. Step 3 is clean, rinse out and wring cleaning pad often to avoid streaking. So there's that one. Alright, so let's see, the next item is the Better Not Younger Wake Up Call Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner, which here's shampoo packet, and the conditioner packet, which I will be using these in when I go to take a shower. My hair is uberly oily. So yeah. Alright, so let's see here. Let's see if there's any. Alright. Alright. So yeah. Don't need directions on how to use shampoo and conditioner. Alright, the next item and the last item is the Carefree Breathe pads. These are ultra thin pads in the size regular, and I'll use these when I need to use these. Alright, so I would have uploaded this last night, but I was just too tired. Because it's I had a fun weekend. I think a couple of friends came over. One of them brought his child with him, which I'm like, because that kid is hyper as I don't know what, and he's like 5 or 6, and I'm like, and another friend came over, we played Minecraft together, and I tried to upload that video. I made a video, like a screen record, and that video would not upload to YouTube, so I guess when I can, I will upload it. Try to upload it on this phone I'm using. So yeah, there's that. Sorry, it's got into my leg. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for this video. When I get my Glam Bag Ultimate, which I have not got yet. When I do get it, I will upload it here to my channel and make a video and upload it. Sorry, I got hiccups going. I will upload it when I can't make it and upload it when it comes. Depending on what time it comes, I will make the video and upload it. If it comes after 6, I most likely won't be making a video, but I will try to do it the next day. Depending on, if it comes on a Wednesday or Monday after 6, then I will make the video and upload it the next day, because I have appointments today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. 2 of them are physical therapy, and the other one is for my ankle. So yeah, so it's if it comes tonight, then that's great. If it comes tomorrow, I'll do it either after my appointment or Wednesday. If it comes Wednesday, then I'll do it Thursday. So yeah, I think that's going to be about it for this video. Bye, y'all.